Hi! Learn about fire trucks and emergency vehicles. Are you ready? Let's go! Fire ambulance. This is a fire ambulance. It is a special emergency vehicle that combines the functions of a fire truck and an ambulance. It carries firefighters who are also trained paramedics, allowing them to both fight fires and treat injured people on site. Equipped with medical gear, oxygen tanks, and firefighting tools, the fire ambulance is used mainly in urban areas where quick medical response and fire control are both needed. Firefighting drone. This is a firefighting drone. It is an unmanned aerial vehicle designed to detect, monitor, and even extinguish fires from the sky. The drone can fly over dangerous or hard-to-reach areas, sending real-time video to firefighters. Some advanced drones can drop fire-retardant materials or water. They are extremely useful in forest fires and industrial fires. Air tanker. This is an air tanker. It is a large aircraft used to drop water or fire-retardant chemicals over wildfires. These planes can carry thousands of liters of liquid and release it accurately over burning areas. Air tankers are essential in controlling large-scale forest fires and preventing the flames from spreading. Aerial fire truck. This is an aerial fire truck. It has a long, extendable ladder or platform that allows firefighters to reach high places such as tall buildings. The ladder often has a water hose attached to it for direct firefighting at height. It plays a vital role in rescuing people trapped in upper floors and extinguishing fires in skyscrapers. Airport crash tender. This is an airport crash tender. It is a powerful fire truck designed specifically for airport emergencies. It can respond quickly to airplane crashes and fires, carrying massive amounts of water and foam. Its high-speed capability and strong water cannons make it ideal for rapid firefighting on runways. Fire motorcycle. This is a fire motorcycle. It is a fast, small vehicle used by firefighters to reach congested or narrow areas where large fire trucks cannot go. It usually carries fire extinguishers, first aid kits, and communication tools. The fire motorcycle allows quick response to small fires or accidents. Wildland fire engine. This is a wildland fire engine. It is a special truck designed to fight forest or grassland fires. It has off-road capability, allowing it to travel through rough terrain. The vehicle carries water, hoses, and tools for digging fire lines to stop flames from spreading. Water tanker fire. This is a water tanker fire truck. It transports large volumes of water to areas where hydrants are unavailable. The water is then used to refill other fire engines during operations in rural or remote locations. Fire rescue van. This is a fire rescue van. It carries firefighters and rescue equipment such as cutting tools, ladders, and medical kits. It is used in operations involving vehicle crashes, building collapses, and other emergencies requiring rescue. Fire rescue bus. This is a fire rescue bus. It is a large vehicle used to transport multiple firefighters or rescued victims. It often serves as a mobile command or recovery center during long operations. Heavy rescue fire truck. This is a heavy rescue fire truck. It carries specialized tools for dealing with major accidents, including hydraulic cutters and spreaders. It helps free people trapped in vehicles or debris. Firefighting robot. This is a firefighting robot. It is a remote-controlled or autonomous machine designed to operate in extremely dangerous environments. It can enter burning buildings or chemical fire zones to extinguish flames while keeping firefighters safe. Fire Command Vehicle. This is a fire command vehicle. It serves as a mobile control center for managing fire operations. Equipped with communication systems, maps, and computers, it helps coordinate firefighters on the scene. Fire Chief Vehicle. This is a fire chief vehicle. It is used by the senior fire officer to reach incident sites quickly and lead the response. It contains communication tools, warning lights, and emergency equipment. Rapid Intervention. This is a rapid intervention vehicle. It is small, agile, and designed for quick responses to minor fires or initial attacks before larger trucks arrive. Pickup fire truck. This is a pickup fire truck. It is built on a pickup chassis and used in rural or small-scale operations. It carries basic firefighting tools and a small water tank. Foam fire truck. This is a foam fire truck. Carries foam concentrate and water to create foam for extinguishing flammable liquid fires, often used in airports and oil facilities. Amphibious fire vehicle. This is an amphibious fire vehicle. It can operate on both land and water, making it useful for river or coastal firefighting missions. Fire hovercraft. This is a fire hovercraft. Travels on air cushions over water, mud, or ice, allowing rescue and firefighting in flood or swamp areas. Hazmat Response Unit. This is a hazmat response unit. It handles hazardous material incidents such as chemical spills or gas leaks. The unit carries protective suits and decontamination tools. Urban Search and Rescue. This is an urban search and rescue vehicle. It carries teams and equipment for finding and rescuing people trapped in collapsed buildings or confined spaces. Turntable ladder truck. This is a turntable ladder truck. It has a rotating ladder mounted on a turntable, allowing firefighters to reach high areas from various angles. Fire engine. This is a fire engine. It is the most common fire truck, equipped with hoses, pumps, and water tanks. It is the backbone of firefighting operations. Fireboat. This is a fireboat. It is a vessel equipped with powerful water cannons for extinguishing fires on ships, docks, or coastal areas. Rescue helicopter. This is a rescue helicopter. It is used to rescue people from dangerous locations or transport them quickly to hospitals. It can carry water buckets to fight fires from the air.